Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurhana Fisa Farhana binti Abdul Jalil, leader for this elite group. Let me introduce how my group modular subject. We include 4 subjects and 1 chapter from each subject. It is English, Geography, Science, and Mathematics. We will talk about our Earth. It's more to how we save our Earth, especially during COVID-19. Moreover, we will also talk about temperature, size, shape, and age of the Earth. Without delay, we will proceed with presentations from Badrin, Hanis, Ikhwan, and Putri.
Hey guys, my name is Badrin and today I will be choosing English subject to modular this science project. So I choose the 4th chapter in English textbook, which is Saving the Environment. Environment is basically something that happened around us. Simply we can say it was like nature or something. Okay, so the first topic is a proper way to throw your mask. Okay, so I've been seeing a lot of people been throwing their mask, just taking off their mask and then they just throw it away. It's completely wrong and it's bad for our environment. The correct way is the mask, there's a rope in this place. You need to take off the rope one by one and you need to throw it separately. Okay, the usage of plastic. Okay, I've been seeing a lot of people been using plastic for everything, like when you go buying some grocery, you should at least bring your own bag, not the plastic one but the reusable one. Okay, and when you eating fast food or something, you need to bring your own straw, spoon, fork, and etc. You need to use your own, because if you use the plastic one, it is so bad for our environment and it can affect not only our life but also animal lives and plants. So you should decide which one you want, whether you want to keep this world dangerous or you want to keep it peace and good. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for listening to my speech, even if it's kind of boring, but I'm pretty sure you will be interested in saving our environments. Bye!
Hi, my name is Noodle binti Hakim from One Smart. For geography, our team chose chapter 5, Let's Explore the Earth. The Earth is a spherical planet and has a surface area of 510 million square kilometers and is covered by 71% of the Earth's surface by water and 24% is terrestrial. The physical system of the Earth are lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere, and biosphere. The lithosphere is the outer layer of the Earth that covers part of the Earth's crust and the upper part of the mantle. This section contains various types of rocks and minerals. The hydrosphere covers all parts of the water that exist on Earth. The atmosphere is the layer of air that surrounds the Earth. This layer contains various types of gas, dust, smoke, and water vapor. The biosphere is the area inhabited by all living things, namely humans, animals, and plants. The area involves the fossil parts of the Earth and the atmosphere. This is the structure of the Earth. The Earth crust is the hardest and solidest layer of the Earth. It consists of 2 layers, namely silica and aluminium, and silica and magnesium. Silica and aluminium are located at the top of the Earth crust and form continents on the Earth's surface. Silica and magnesium lie beneath it and aluminium at the bottom of the ocean. Mantle is located below the Earth crust. It covers 2 to 3 of the mass of the Earth. It is solid, but the outer layer is semi-liquid. Earth's terrace is the deepest layer. It is divided into two, the outer core and the inner core. A continent is a very large landmass on the surface of the Earth. There are 7 continents surrounded by 5 vast oceans. In addition to the oceans, there are also important major seas and straits. This is the Asian map. The Asian continent is the largest continent in the world. It covers an area of approximately 55.8 million square kilometers. The African continent is the second largest continent in the world. It covers an area of about 30 million square kilometers. North America continent is the third largest continent in the world. It covers an area of about 24.5 million square kilometers. South America is the fourth largest continent in the world. It covers an area of about 17.8 million square kilometers. Europe is the second smallest continent in the world. It covers an area of about 10.4 million square kilometers. Australia is the most flat continent in the world. It covers an area of approximately 7.6 million square kilometers. Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean in the world. The average depth is 4,300 meters. Arctic Ocean is the smallest and shallowest ocean in the world. It is located close to the North Pole. The Atlantic Ocean is the second largest ocean in the world. It extends from north to south and forms as if the letter S. Indian Ocean is the third largest ocean in the world. It borders to the continents of Asia, Africa, and Australia. Its average depth is 3,900 meters. Southern Ocean is the ocean that surrounds the continent of Antarctica. South China Sea is located within the Pacific Ocean. It covers waters from the Straits of Malacca to the Straits of Taiwan. Sulu Sea is located in the southwestern part of the Philippines and near the island of Borneo. Strait of Malacca is located in the waters between Peninsula of Malaysia and the island of Sumatra, Indonesia. It is the longest strait in the world. The Earth's surface is made up of layers of the Earth's crust known as plates. The plate is divided into two, namely the land plate and the ocean plate. The Earth plate is on top of the mantle layer. The influence of convective currents in the mantle layer causes the Earth plates to move. The movement of the Earth crust or plate involves a process of collision and divergence. This process in turn causes various effects on the formation of the Earth. Continental drift is diversion or separation has caused a change in the position of continents. Although the process of plate separation occurs very slowly, scientists have proved the possibility that the position of the continents at the present time is the result of the continental drift. The repulsion and compression of two plates from different directions will cause the Earth crust to be compressed and form a folded mountain range. Fault mountains are formed as a result of the movement of the Earth crust called slip or disk. Volcanoes form when two plates collide, creating an immersion zone.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Ikhwan Suki from Smart. I'm gonna talk about Science Chapter 9, Earth System and Structure. Earth is divided into 4 components: atmosphere, biosphere, hydrosphere, and geosphere. Hydrosphere, water zone; atmosphere, air zone; geosphere, rock and soil zone; biosphere, a zone of life. Atmosophysics stratification. Exosphere contain helium gas and hydrogen. Thermosphere, ion zone that can reflecting radio wave. Mesospheres, meteorite burning and crashing in the zone. Stratosphere, ozone layer. Troposphere, living organism breathe. Rain and cloudy and snow form in the zone. Stratification in the ocean. Surface zone, water is very shallow and light can penetrate it, allowing the zone to be ideal for plant habitat. Midnight zone, have little or no light. Plenty are difficult to survive, but this level of depth become habitat for large marine animals. Dark zone, no light can reach. Animals in the zone have bodies that sparkle or glow in the dark. Earth materials, igneous, formed from the process of cooling and freezing of magma or lava flowing out of the mantle layer, contain various minerals. sediment, formed from the compression of sedimentary material carried by river, glacier, and windy. Consists of many hollow layers and contains fossil. Metamorphic, formed when igneous relief or sedimentary rocks are exposed to very high pressure and temperature, harder than the original rock that formed it. Earth crust. Earth crust is divided into three main layers: crust, core, and patio. Core layer, lithosphere, exosphere, mesosphere. The process of rock formation. Earth mass process, exogenic process, occurring on the Earth's surface, erosion, weathering, mass, and land depletion. Transport and sedimentation. Endogenic process occurs in the Earth, shaping and changing the surface of the Earth. The process of mantle connection, the movement of the Earth crust, magma, and activity. Geohazard phenomena is volcanism, global warming, tsunami, landslide, submersible, hots, earthquake, sloping soil, and acid rain. Age of the Earth is estimated 4.5 billion years from the meteorite obtained. Fossil is Earth material that is sunk and buried. Earth resource applied geology. Surface water found on the surface of the Earth. Groundwater, known as an aquifer, is cover the empty space between the soil grain until the rock level is impermeable to water. Economic minerals, metals, now metallic and rare. Hydrothermal process. Pool water is heated by heat from the earth naturally or hydrothermal process. Adverse effect of human activities. 1. Soil erosion. 2. Flash flood. 3. Extinction of flora and fauna. 4. Water, air, and thermal and noise pollution. 5. Global warming. In conclusion, Earth is a planet made up of various structures, systems, and materials.
Hi, my name is Badrin Speech from Class 1 Smart. For math, our team chose Chapter 12. Shape of Earth. Earth is spherical, though it looks flat when we look at the horizon. The hypothesis that state that Earth is spherical in shape was proven by Ferdinand Magellan, who set sail from Spain in September 1519. He appointed a Malay man from Malacca named Panglima Awang or Henry the Black as his translator. Even though Magellan was killed in the Philippines in 1521, his and his crew's voyage had proved that Earth is spherical in shape. Age of Earth. The age of Earth is estimated to be 4.5 billion years based on meteorites obtained. Earth has gone through various stages of periods which have changed or shaped the Earth's landscape. Geologists define a long period of time as an era. Each era is divided into several periods. Size of Earth: 6,371 kilometers. Era Cenozoic. Period Quaternary, Tertiary. Era Mesozoic. Period Cretaceous, Jurassic, Triassic. Era Paleozoic. Period Permian, Carboniferous, Devonian, Silurian, Ordovician, Cambrian, Precambrian. Temperature of Earth. Earth temperature 1980 to 2020. 2020 was the one of the 3 warmest years on record.
In conclusion, Earth is so important in our lives, so keep our environment clean, especially during this pandemic COVID-19. Always wash your hands, keep your distance with other people, stay at home, and if you want to go out, wear your mask properly. That is all from us. Thank you.